Hey, what's going on, everyone? EVGA here for SerpentX Tech. Welcome back to the channel. Now, this video is not going to be the full shebang, but I just wanted to reiterate where I am going to put this guide, right? So you click this video for a reason, how to create a Solana token. The tools are out there and they're free. All you got to do is take time out of your day to go and research it. Now, some of the video guides out there are outdated, or some of the commands either work or they don't work. So you want to make sure you're getting the latest and greatest Solana CLI, SPL token CLI, Rust, Cargo, so on and so forth, and all the dependencies that are needed. But I was able to create multiple tokens using the steps in this guide that I will be sharing with Patreon members or members of the channel. So you have to be a subscriber or a supporter of the channel in order to gain access to this. I apologize for putting it technically behind a paywall, but I need to do what's best for me, my family, and my channel. So you know me as an open source guy and always willing to share this information. I've always done that with the channel. I will continue to do that. But in this particular instance, I could see value in being able to help users that contact me asking for help in creating their Solana token using the commands within SPL token, Solana CLI, Rust, etc., etc. The easy token creators are out there, they're available, but you're going to spend a buku amount of money. And unfortunately, some of the easy token creators out there are actual scams and will steal the funds out of your wallet. Or if you go to launch your token, you wind up getting your liquidity ripped out from underneath you. So you got to be careful and you got to vet these applications. The difference is, do you want to spend almost one Solana, right, which could be upwards of hundreds of dollars, or at time of filming $145, or zero point 0.8 Solana, which is about $120, or do you want to spend instead less than $12, which is exactly what I was able to do as far as getting everything ready on my token, all except for creating the market ID or the open book market and launching the actual token with liquidity on the market. Those are the two most expensive aspects you're going to bump into. Everything else is really cheap and really free. All you got to do is take time out of your day to learn the commands, understand the CLI, and move forward. Now, I have created multiple tokens for less than $12. I just got to create the liquidity. One of them is already launched on the market. You can go and check it out right now. Democrat Stop Meme, which is a play on the word Democrat. And the whole point is just to get out there, go vote. Doesn't matter which country, state, or area you're in. Be active. Go ahead and be involved with your local, state, and country's government and legislation. Make sure that they're moving forward in a positive direction for where crypto and blockchain can continue to flourish. That's the point of this particular project. It is a meme token, but with a little bit of a use case. Now, this is just one example that I was able to complete, but you'll see more in the future, at least two more in the future planned. But as far as creating a token, I could give you this much. You're going to need, I like to use Ubuntu, but you can use Windows, whichever you want. Windows is going to be a little bit different. Some of the commands obviously are going to be different because sudo doesn't work on Windows, but you just want to make sure that everything is up to date. You're going to need OpenSSH. We're going to need to install, again, Solana CLI, SPL token CLI, Rust, Cargo, the whole 9 yards. So this is the most that you're going to get. And then after that, you're going to need your dependencies and you need to be good to go. So if you do want to make a Solana token and you're interested in learning how to create your own and you just want a little bit of help, feel free to reach out to me. You know how to get my contact information. You know where to find me on social media platforms and stuff like that. Otherwise, Patreon members and subscribers or members of the channel will gain access to this document where they can follow step by step to learn how to create their own token and reach out to me if they so need help. But that's going to do it for today's video. I just wanted to make sure that this is crystal clear. We already talked about those easy creator apps and how they're taking you for your money, and you might as well keep what you got and save it for creating your own token. But you let me know your thoughts. And besides that, do me a favor on the way out. Hit the like button. Make sure to get subscribed. The notification bell to stay up to date. So let's check out additional links in the description to help support the channel and what we do here. Stay tuned for additional updates as well regarding Solana projects and much more. And you just have yourself a wonderful day. Take care. I'll catch you next one.